It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation Edition. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Terrain. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors, the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, a child lock button, and the power liftgate button. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a power moonroof up above. Next I'll climb in and we'll take a look at the heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we've got the audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above, the programmable garage door opener, power moonroof buttons, and OnStar. This is GMC's infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera. We're able to turn that guidance off or back on. To the far left, we've got the push start button, dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, the park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins, heated front seats, hill descent control, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, off-road mode, and trailer mode. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we've got the black grille surround and bumper, the blacked out GMC emblem, fog lights, 19-inch black aluminum wheels, a 2-liter turbo engine under the hood, black side mirrors, black roof rails, rear tinted windows, blacked out Terrain badging down the side. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, and the power lift gate. We can pop that open with just the push of a button. A spacious trunk, cargo hooks, the levers to fold the second row seating down, as well as a power plug-in and a storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. On the passenger door, power windows. On the backs of both front seats, we've got some seat pockets. On the back of the center console, there are 2 USB plug-ins and a 120-volt power plug-in. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we can fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever located on the top of the seat for those longer, larger items we'd like to stow away in the back. So come take a look at the 2020 GMC Terrain SLT Elevation Edition today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.